Hare Krishna. In this video, you will learn about 5 types of mukti, which is mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam. The first one is Sayujya Mukti, the second one is Salokya Mukti, third one is Sarupya Mukti, fourth one is Samipya Mukti, and fifth one is Sarshti Mukti. So, what is Sayujya Mukti? As we all know, Mukti means liberation, that is freedom from material bonding. What is Sayujya Mukti? This type of Mukti or liberation is to merge into the Brahman effulgence of the Lord, that is Brahma Jyoti, getting merged with the Brahman is Sayujya Mukti. In this type of Mukti, you will not have a body, so you cannot do service to the Lord. And the next type of Mukti is Salokya Mukti. In Salokya Mukti, you will become resident of the planet where the God resides. For example, Krishna lives in Goloka. So, once you get the Salokya Mukti, it means you will also live in Goloka, Krishna's planet. This is called Salokya Mukti. Suppose you are going to UAE or you are going to US, you will get a residentship of that country. You will become a resident of that country, right? Like that, in Salokya Mukti, you will get residence of Goloka, Krishna's abode. This is Salokya Mukti. The next one is Sarupya Mukti. In this Mukti, you will look exactly like Lord Narayana. Like how Lord Narayana has got 4 hands, with one hand holding the conch shell, the other hand holding the discus, that is chakra, conch shell is Shankha, then Gada means club, and then Padma, lotus flower. So, like that, you will also have 4 hands and you will also hold all these 4 items. And about the Samipya Mukti, I have put one video, the video titled Vaikuntha Loka, Vaikuntha Loka Vasis. So, you can search my channel and please watch that video also. How Vaikuntha Loka Vasis look, how their appearance is. Then you will understand what is this Sarupya Mukti is. Okay, now let's go to Samipya Mukti. Samipya Mukti is you are always in the company of the Lord. Like how Arjuna is always in the company of the Lord and how he obeyed Krishna's instructions. Though he don't want to fight with his relatives, he just obeyed Krishna's instructions and had a war with Kauravas. This is called association with the Lord. You are having direct association with the Lord, like Arjuna. They are never separated. You are always with the Lord. That is Samipya Mukti. In Samipya Mukti, in Goloka, you will get a chance to serve Lord Krishna and you will be very close to Lord Krishna. And you will always be in the company of the Lord. This is Samipya Mukti. Before going to the last Mukti, that is Sarshti Mukti, I just want to tell you all that please watch till the end of the video to know Krishna's opinion about Mukti, what Lord Krishna is preferring for his devotees. That is also covered in this video. Krishna in 6th chapter Dhyana Yoga, he is telling the person who is doing the meditation in the prescribed way, suggested way, Krishna in 6th chapter is the best of all yogis. But in the conclusion, the last shloka of 6th chapter, 47th shloka, 6.47, what he is saying is, Yoginam api sarvesham मत्गतेनान्तरात्मना श्रद्धावान् भजते यो मां समे युक्ततमो मतः. He is saying, among all the yogis, the person who is always absorbed in my thought, that is Madgatenantar. Mad means absorbed in me, Krishna. Shraddhavan, with faith, Bhajate Yomam, who is always devoted to me, is the highest of all yogis. That's what Krishna is saying in 6.47. And after Sarshti Mukti, the last Mukti, I will tell you few more opinions of Krishna. So Sarshti Mukti is you get the same opulence, same type of gunas. Lord Sri Krishna is above the three gunas, above the Sattva, Rajo, Tamo guna. It does not mean he does not have any qualities. It means that he is beyond the description of gunas. So that which is very difficult to describe, that good character this person who has attained Sarshti Mukti will also get. He will also become so powerful like Lord Krishna. This is Sarshti Mukti. For example, Bali Maharaja was granted a special planet called Suthala by Lord Vamana. Vamana's another name is Trivikrama, where he enjoyed a great opulence like that of the Lord. In Suthala planet, we have different types of planet, Atala, Patala, Sutala. So Sutala is the planet granted to Bali Maharaja by Trivikrama Vamanadeva. King Bali is an example of Sarshti Mukti. In Kerala, people celebrate Onam. They have the belief that on Onam day, Bali Maharaja comes out from Sutala planet and visits their houses to bless them. So, when Lord Vamana has asked, where will I keep my third step? Then Bali Maharaja told, you can keep it on my head. Then Vamana pressed him and then he went down to Sutala planet, where he is like the Lord. He is enjoying all types of opulences like the Lord. In Sutala planet also there are inhabitants. When Lord Vamana has asked, I want to measure 3 steps of your land, Bali Maharaja has agreed. So with the first step he measured the entire lower world, and with the second step he measured the entire upper world. So almost he measured everything, nothing was left. When Lord Vamana asked, where will you keep my third step? Then Bali Maharaja showed his head, because he has given him a promise. He cannot break that promise. So he bowed down and shown his head. Then Vamana kept his foot and then pressed him. Then he went down to Sutala planet, where he is enjoying all the opulences. Since Bali Maharaja is a great devotee of the Lord, he has got that opulence. So this 5 muktis we have seen, and I have told you at the end of the video I will tell you Krishna's opinion. As we already saw that in chapter 6:47, Krishna is preferring devotion as the highest of all yoga. Now we will see 10.8, 10.9, 10.10, 10.11. This is called Chaturshloki. I have already put a separate video about 10.8, 10th chapter 8th shloka, 10th chapter 9th shloka. Please go and refer. Also refer Vaikuntha Loka, how the people appears. Krishna is saying devotees will never expect any type of mukti. What Krishna is proudly saying to Arjuna in 10.9, 9th shloka is Matchitta Matgata Prana बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च. My devotees will always chant my name. My devotees will always talk about me. They will not waste time in chit-chatting about other matters. They will feel tushyanti cha ramanti cha, extreme happiness by sharing Krishna's glories with others. And he is always preferring the devotees to do Madkatenantaratmana, that is always absorbed in Krishna's thought. So what we have to do, how do we choose what type of mukti is? We cannot choose. The Lord only should decide, seeing our qualities. So we will leave what type of mukti we want to the Lord based on our eligibility criteria. Lord will give us the appropriate mukti. But Krishna is preferring only devotion. In Bhagavad Gita, in many chapters, he is talking devotion as the highest of all. That is, he wants us to share Harinama. He wants us to share Krishna's glories. Hare Krishna.